Mommy, Daddy, are we all ready to go to the pool now?
Almost, Peppa. I'm just making sure we have everything we need, like our swimsuits and towels.
I've got the sunscreen, the snacks, and my big floppy hat. We're going to have a wonderful time.
Dinosaurs? Oh, George. You can bring Mr. Dinosaur. But remember, he has to stay on the side of the pool while we swim.
That's right. And remember, everyone, what's the most important thing when we get to the pool?
To listen to Daddy and stay safe in the water.
Exactly, right? Everyone, let's go to the car. Right then, everyone, the bag is all packed. We have our towels, our goggles, and all the swim gear we need.
Wonderful. It's a beautiful day for a swim. Are you two ready to jump into the water?
Oh, yes. I'm so excited. I want to have a swimming race with George. Yay! Oink, oink.
That's the spirit. We'll be in the pool in no time. But remember, we must always listen to Mommy and Daddy to stay safe.
That's right. Safety first, everyone. Are we ready to go?
Yes, Mommy.
Then let's go to the pool. Peppa, we can swim in the water.
That looks like so much fun, Daddy. Can you show me how to do that?
Of course, just take a deep breath and blow gently, just like this.
Look at you two. You are having such a lovely time.
Dinosaur roar. George, come on in. The water is lovely.
Let's get you ready, George, so you can join Daddy and Peppa.
Come on in, everyone. It's a perfect day for a swim. All right, take a deep breath in through your nose, Peppa.
Oh, I'm scary.
Now, put your mouth just under the water. Slowly blow the air out to make little bubbles.
Look, Daddy, I made a big bubble.
Haha, that was a wonderful bubble, Peppa.
Wow, swimming is fun. Daddy, I'm still a little bit nervous about swimming by myself.
Don't worry, Peppa. It's all about confidence. Watch me first. I'll show you how it's done.
Okay, Daddy, I'm watching.
First, you stretch out your arms like this, and then you kick your legs gently, like a little frog.
See? Nice and steady. You don't have to rush.
Exactly. Now, you try it. Keep your face in the water, and just use those strong legs.
Like this, Daddy.
Yes, that's it. Keep going. You're moving perfectly.
I'm doing it. I'm really doing it.
Look at them go. Well done, Peppa.
Peppa, swimming. That was the best lesson ever. Daddy, thank you for showing me.
Anytime, Peppa. Now, let's see if you can race me to the other side.
Daddy, the pool looks so deep today. What if I can't keep my balance and I go under?
Don't be afraid, my little piggy. You don't have to go to the deep end right away.
Look, Daddy, I'm really doing it. My arms are moving just like yours.
That's fantastic, Peppa. You've got the rhythm perfectly now. See, swimming is easy when you relax.
I'm not even scared anymore. Daddy, this is so much fun.
I knew you could do it. You're a little swimming star.
Well done, Peppa. You're doing a wonderful job.
And she did it all by herself, with just a little help from me.
Oh, yes, please, Daddy. I want to swim every single day.
Well, then it's a deal. Now, shall we race to the ladder, just for fun?
On your marks,